Hello everyone, good morning to you all. I'm Lieutenant Colonel Ranveer Singh Jamwal. I belong to village Bodori of Sawa district. First of all, I would like to thank Jammu University for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you all. Uh, I'm very proud to be a Dogra. As you all must be knowing, I'm one of the few individuals in India who have done Everest 3 times, and I'm the only Indian to have done 5 continental highest peaks in South America, Africa, Europe, Australia, and Asia, of course, and 3 times Everest. I'm proud to be Dogra, and as we see, whenever we talk about Jalpal Singh, the administrator, when we talk about Brigadier Rajendra Singh, the first Mahavir Chakra, when we talk about Joravar Singh, who's known as the Napoleon of the East, we all feel proud that they belong to our Dogra land. We are proud to be a Dogra, and I myself proud, and my identity is a Dogra identity, and we all should be proud of it. These are our roots, और अगर जड़ें ही खत्म हो जाएंगी तो पेड़ जो हम सब बिलोंग करते हैं, वी आर ट्री, वो पेड़ सूख जाएगा. असें सारे गर्व होना चाहिए, सारे प्राउड होना चाहिए इस चीज़ पर, एंड वी ऑल शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ बीइंग ए डोगरा. सारे इको मैसेज है, अपनी चीज़ें दे बारे में प्राउड फील करो, अपनी डोगरी प्राउड फील करो, एंड लोकें च जिन्नी तुस नॉलेज, जिन्नी तुस अवेयरनेस फैलाई सकते हो, वो तुस फैलाओ. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय डोगरा.